In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Copilot chat history. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot on your device or in your web browser. Once it loads, the first thing you want to check is that you're signed into your account. This is important because your saved chat history is tied to your account. So if you're not logged in, you may not see the conversations you're expecting to manage. After you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Microsoft Copilot displays your previous chat conversations. Depending on how many chats you've had, you may see a short list or a longer history. Take a moment to scan through and find the specific conversation you want to remove. When you found the chat you want to delete, move to the right side of that conversation entry. You should see a More Options icon there. Click that icon to open the menu for that chat. In the menu that appears, select Delete. This tells Copilot that you want to remove that individual conversation from your history. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions. So make sure you're deleting the correct conversation before continuing. If you're sure, click Delete again in the pop-up to confirm the action. Once you do that, the selected chat will be removed from your Copilot history. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a second to refresh visually or check the sidebar again to confirm that the conversation is gone. And that's it. That's how to clear a Microsoft Copilot chat from your history. If you only want to remove one conversation, this method is quick and straightforward. Just remember that you need to be signed in, and you'll need to repeat the same process for any other chats you want to delete individually. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to clear Microsoft Copilot chat history.